Hey, this is Nate Egard, Chief Outdoors Officer at Guard 1, and this is our One Charge. It's a power bank with jump starter capabilities and a lot of other features as well. It comes in a Guard 1 case. On one side you'll find the power bank, and on the other side in the mesh you'll find all the accessories, which we will discuss later. To turn it on is a two-step process. You flip the switch and then you press the power button. Now I'm going to go over the accessories that come with your new One Charge. Here you'll find the jumper cables, and there are two ways to charge it. One with a wall charger and the other with a car charger. It also comes with an accessory cable and an adapter set, allowing you to charge a number of different other electronics where you might need to change the voltage. So some of the other features on the One Charge include a compass and a flashlight, which I'll go into more detail later. You also see that it has this protective rubber cover, which you have to open it from the bottom up as to not displace the three wedges that keep it in place. If those come out, just simply pop them back in. The rubber cover makes it water resistant. When opening it up, you can see there are 4 USB ports and 2 charging ports. The smaller one is for the charging input of the tool itself, and the larger one is for the adapter set. Here's how to use the jump starter. The set includes a pair of mini jumper cables which plug into the port at the end with the open car hood graphic. Simply open the rubber cover and plug the cables in. Once the cables are plugged in, it'll work, even if the switches are turned off. Next step is to take the cables, match the red to positive and black to negative, and you're ready to jump start your vehicle. To charge a device with the accessory adapter set, take one of the adapters and connect it to one of the ends of the included black cable. Then take the other end, open the rubber cover, and plug it in to the larger port on the left. Make sure the switch is on and press the power button. To adjust and select a different voltage, tap the power button repeatedly to sort through them. To use the flashlight and select different modes, make sure the switch is on and the power button is pressed. Then press and hold the power button down again to turn the white lights on. By pressing it again several times, you will select through the different modes. To use the red and blue emergency lights, quickly double tap the power button. Then, repeatedly press the power button to select the different modes. Both the white and red and blue lights have an SOS mode for your safety and emergencies. For every dollar we receive, 1 square foot of wilderness land will be conserved and protected for generations to come.